Hello everyone, when making egg fried rice, should you fry the egg first or the rice first? I believe many people are confused about this. Today I'm going to share with you the method used by hotel chefs. First, prepare a plate of leftover rice, put it into a large bowl, add 10 grams of dark soy sauce and a little cooking oil. Then, use your hands to mix and loosen the rice evenly. Doing it this way makes the rice more fragrant and fluffier. Mix it until it looks like this, and that's good enough. Prepare a sausage and slice it. Then cut it into strips. And then dice it. After cutting, put it on a plate. Take a handful of scallions and chop them into small pieces. Prepare a small bowl and crack in 3 fresh chicken eggs. Add a little pepper to remove any fishy smell, then beat thoroughly with chopsticks. Mix it until it looks like this, and that's enough. Next, heat the pan and add a suitable amount of oil to coat it, making sure to oil the edges as well. This way, the eggs and rice won't stick when stir-frying. Once the oil starts to smoke, pour it out. Add a little more oil to the pan, and when it's hot, pour in the beaten eggs. Stir-fry the eggs until they're cooked and broken up. Then add the rice. Stir-fry evenly, letting the rice release its moisture and break apart. Add an appropriate amount of lard for a richer flavor, stir-fry evenly. Then add some light soy sauce and stir-fry until you get a nice aroma from the sauce. Spread the rice out flat and let it sear for a bit. This will make it taste even better. Stir-fry the rice until you hear a crackling sound. Next, add the sausage and stir-fry until fragrant. Finally, add the chopped green onions. Stir-fry everything over high heat until evenly mixed and fragrant, bringing out that signature wok aroma. Alright, it's ready to serve. A delicious soy sauce egg fried rice is now done. The rice grains are distinct and full of flavor. One bite and you'll never forget it. If you like my video, remember to like, comment and share. Thank you for your support.